Hi everyone, welcome to It's the Plant Guy, a new introduction to my new Instagram handle. If you haven't seen it yet, be sure to go on Instagram and check it out. It's all dedicated to my new plants and my plant collections that I've accumulated throughout this pandemic. Thanks to my girl Coco, my new pal, my new best friend, for spotting this delivery, an overnight shipment from the east coast of Canada. Now it's time to unbox. Let's check it out. Hope you guys like this quick video that I put together. Be sure to check out my Instagram once again. It's the Plant Guy. Until then, until next time, we'll see you and happy holidays.